10 genius tech and DIY hacks to make life easier. Have you ever struggled with tangled cables, a dying phone battery, or household items that just aren't convenient? In this video, we're sharing 10 genius tech and DIY hacks that will make your life easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tricks. Turn your phone into a TV remote. Did you know you can turn your phone into a universal remote with just a free app? No more searching for lost remotes. Download the Universal Remote Control app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select your TV brand. Connect your phone to the TV via Wi-Fi or IR, infrared. Test it out. Control your TV from your phone. DIY phone stand using a paperclip. Need a phone stand but don't want to buy one? Try this quick and easy paperclip hack. Grab a large paperclip, bend the top into an L shape, place your phone on it, and you're good to go. Charge your phone faster. Want to speed up your phone's charging time? Just switch on airplane mode, and your battery will charge 20 to 30% faster. Plug in your charger. Turn on airplane mode. Watch your battery charge faster. Clean your keyboard in seconds. Is your keyboard full of dust and crumbs? Try this simple trick. Grab a piece of clear tape. Stick it between the keys and pull it out. Watch as all the dust sticks to the tape. Open a bottle without a bottle opener. No bottle opener. No problem. You can open a bottle using just a piece of paper. Fold a sheet of A4 paper 8 times to make it firm. Use the edge to pop the bottle cap off. Try it yourself. 6 to 10. More genius tips? More hack ideas. Use a lemon peel to remove fridge odors. Make a laptop stand out of cardboard. Turn an empty candy tin into a cable organizer. Easily clean white sneakers with baking soda. Repurpose plastic bottles into storage containers. Which hack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching Hack It Easy.